For today's makeup, we're doing this bold, all blue alternative makeup look. To start this look, we're using a dark blue in the outer corners, creating a wing-like shape. Then using a lighter blue to blend that out. Then using the dark blue to make a circular style shape on the inner corners, going up above the crease. Then using a light blue shade to connect the two in the middle. Then adding black to the corners for some depth. Then adding light blue to the middle of the eye. Then adding black underneath the eyes. And then blending that out with a lighter blue. Then adding a sparkly reflective blue to the inner corners. Then adding mascara and false lashes to finish the look. And that completes this all blue makeup look. I really like to use bright colors with a bold eye shape. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.